Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the latest developments shaping the dynamics of the Middle East. Today, we're breaking down a significant development: Iran's announcement of a new drone capable of carrying 13 bombs and traveling a whopping 1,200 miles. And this is a topic you don't want to miss. So, folks, let's dive straight into it. Iran's unveiling of this new drone has sent shockwaves across the region. With the ability to carry 13 bombs and cover a distance of 1,200 miles, it's a game-changer in the ongoing conflict in Gaza and beyond. Imagine the implications of this technology in the volatile landscape of the Middle East. It's a tool that could potentially reshape the balance of power and influence in the region. But here's the burning question: what does this mean for the conflict in Gaza? Will it escalate tensions even further, or could it pave the way for new diplomatic initiatives? On one hand, the introduction of such a powerful drone could embolden militant groups in Gaza, allowing them to carry out more sophisticated attacks against Israel. This could lead to a dangerous escalation in violence and further destabilize the region. However, on the other hand, some experts argue that this new drone could provide an opportunity for diplomatic engagement. By showcasing its military capabilities, Iran might be seeking to strengthen its position at the negotiating table, encouraging dialogue and diplomacy to address the root causes of the conflict. But regardless of the potential outcomes, one thing is clear: the introduction of this new drone has added a new layer of complexity to an already volatile situation. So, what are your thoughts on Iran's new Gaza drone? Do you think it will escalate tensions or open doors for diplomacy? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analyses on the ever-evolving dynamics of the Middle East. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.